A US government-funded study has found that smoking marijuana regularly for up to 7 years does not impair lung function. The researchers monitored the lung function of over 5,000 young men and women over a period of 20 years. They found that smoking pot for 7 joint years, the equivalent of 365 joints a year, does not harm lung function, whereas smoking tobacco harms lung function in a much shorter period. The study also found that smoking pot for over 10 joint years adversely affects the lungs. Figures show 1 in 15 American teens have tried marijuana. Some link the prevalence to the legalization of medical marijuana in 17 states and regions, including California, Oregon, Washington, Alaska, Maine, Colorado, Hawaii, Nevada, Montana, Vermont, Rhode Island, New Mexico, Michigan, Arizona, Washington, D.C., New Jersey, and Delaware. In these states, the drug can be prescribed to help patients suffering chronic pain. However, experts warn that weed could negatively affect brain development in teens and cause short-term memory dysfunction, coughing, and respiratory disorders. It also impairs people's ability to drive.